Nationwide auto warranty features, strengths, weaknesses. Nationwide auto warranty, now CarShield after acquisition, offers vehicle service contracts, not warranties, designed to cover repair costs after the manufacturer's warranty expires. Key features include multiple coverage tiers, ranging from basic powertrain protection to comprehensive bumper-to-bumper-like coverage, options for high-tech component coverage, and inclusion of roadside assistance, rental car reimbursement, and trip interruption benefits. These plans are primarily designed for owners of vehicles that are no longer covered by a manufacturer's warranty, especially those with older cars or higher mileage. They are also suitable for individuals seeking predictable car repair expenses, as the service contract covers the cost of covered repairs, minus a deductible. Strengths of Nationwide/CarShield include a wide range of coverage options catering to various budgets and vehicle needs, flexible payment plans, direct payment to repair shops simplifying the repair process, and nationwide availability. However, weaknesses must also be considered. The contracts contain exclusions, meaning not all components or repairs are covered, often including wear and tear items, pre-existing conditions, and specific parts like brake pads or tires. Customer reviews are mixed, with some reporting satisfaction with claim processing and coverage, while others express frustration with denials, long wait times, or unexpected exclusions. Pricing can also be a drawback. The cost of the contract may exceed the actual repair costs over the contract's lifetime, especially for reliable vehicles. Furthermore, the company has faced regulatory scrutiny and lawsuits related to advertising practices and claim handling. Before purchasing a Nationwide/CarShield plan, thoroughly review the contract's terms and conditions, paying close attention to exclusions, deductibles, and claim procedures. Compare quotes from multiple providers to ensure competitive pricing. Assess your vehicle's repair history and potential future repair needs to determine if the cost of the service contract outweighs the potential benefits. Consider also the company's reputation and customer reviews to gauge the likelihood of a smooth claim experience. Alternatives to Nationwide/CarShield include manufacturer extended warranties, which often provide more comprehensive coverage, and savings accounts dedicated to car repairs, offering greater flexibility. Ultimately, a Nationwide/CarShield vehicle service contract can provide peace of mind for some vehicle owners, but a careful evaluation of its features, strengths, weaknesses, and alternatives is crucial to making an informed decision.